Greetings from Svärdsön, closer to Solsidan, and one of my favorite nude beach spots on the sea. And I have chosen this spot particularly as I knew it that it's not gonna be windy over here, as it is windy on the other end, just 200 meters on the other side, on the open sea, where I was actually last Saturday, I believe. And it seems like the weather it's the same now, but suddenly now it seems that the clouds have appeared to lighten down a bit, so it's a bit more brighter, as they were a bit more heavier earlier. And it is 25th of July 2026, beach day number 102 on my Sweden beach adventures. 19 degrees Celsius in the air, and let's check out the temperature in the sea. Now this may look to you like a lake, but it's connected to the sea through there. So I wouldn't say it's the open sea, but it's quite decent and tastes same like the sea. There is no waves and no wind, which means we have perfect reflection of the water. Sometimes during the weekends here come some few boats, but now I guess they have been scared by the weather, even though it's still warm. And it's 19 degrees Celsius. We have same temperature in the water as in the air. And it's also good that it's not windy, so it feels a bit warmer. And I have taken my new shoes today for a walk, but they are actually running shoes. And first time I buy Hoka, so I'm gonna let you know if I'm more satisfied than Nike. To be Hoka, actually they were quite expensive compared to Nike, but I bought them on sale. Regular price was 2,000 crowns, I bought them for 1,000, so 50% off almost. So yeah, the color is nice. I think it's orange. Let me know if you think that it's red. The name of the color is Pepper Bell, but Pepper Bell can be many different colors, including green, orange, yellow, red. So okay, so Solsidan and Svärdsö Nature Reserve, spontaneous nude beach spot, and let's get going with a swim in the sea. Now I usually jump from there as it is deep, but now I see it's a bit not so clean on the surface. And here it looks much better, so I'm just gonna go in from here, from this end. And later I'm gonna pick blueberries there. There are so many blueberries, and since last week they have grown also a bit, as I have picked almost half a liter last time, and there is a lot. And I'm picking by hands. If I pick with a small, how to say, machine, and not that machine but a plastic thing, it's easier, faster, but you need then to clean the green stuff. So let's see if I'm gonna try out that sometime. But now it's time for Chris to swim in the sea on this weekend, Saturday. Legs are in. And with a little bit of sun behind the clouds, it's time to take a dip here at Svärdsön, Solsidan, in the sea. Let's go! Oh yes, it tastes like sea, because it is the sea obviously. And beautiful, peaceful nature, all alone. And will be enjoying my swim. The aim is to swim 2 times 15 minutes today. Yesterday I did half an hour at once, but in Lake Flattan. So yeah, it's quite late actually. I have been having a morning sleep. Now it's 1:30, so I needed some rest, as I usually get up a bit earlier during the weekdays, around 7. So yeah, it was good to sleep until 9 today. So yeah, greetings from Svärdsön and South Sudan, and it's time for us to continue the swing. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.